Hello everyone, Kevork from Major League Crypto here, and for this video's topic, we'll be talking about storage options for Bitcoin, and also we will be talking about private and public keys. Storage is quite difficult to explain for the overall spectrum of cryptos, because each crypto has its own protocol, and because of that, each one has possibly different methods or applications of storage. Most cryptocurrencies only have a desktop client to store the units of that specific crypto. Bitcoin, being around the longest out of all cryptos and the most used, will naturally have the most dev support to storage. Here are the different types of storage for Bitcoin. Exchanges. Exchanges are the least secure because you do not own your private key. If something unfortunate occurred to an exchange where it had to be shut down, there is not a guarantee you will get your crypto back. Then there are mobile wallets, and in this respect, Android will fare better than iOS due to its open source nature. Then there are desktop clients. A desktop client is the end user software that facilitates private key generation and security, payment sending on behalf of a private key, and optionally provides useful information about the state of the network and transactions, information related to the private keys under its management, and syndication of network events to other peer clients. This can also be applied for mobile devices. This is also the main way of storage for altcoins. A hardware wallet is a special type of Bitcoin wallet which stores the user's private keys in a secure hardware device. A paper wallet is a document containing all the data necessary to generate any number of Bitcoin private keys, forming a wallet of keys. There are 3 degrees of possible security exposures when dealing with storing cryptocurrencies, and the 3 layers are hot, third party owns your private keys; warm, you manage your own private keys; and cold, private keys are isolated offline. So with that in mind, you can allocate your funds as you see fit. I personally use hot wallets when either trading or transmitting Bitcoin day to day, while keeping everything else in cold storage if I'm holding for the long term and I want to feel safe. Private keys are the secret number and letters that allows a person to transfer their cryptos. This key should be kept private because anyone knowing the string of numbers and letters will have access to whatever amount of cryptocurrency is in that wallet. You can view private keys as sort of a ticket to get into a wallet, and below is an example of what a private key would look like. Public keys are the other part of the address which are paired with private keys. Both are needed to initiate a transaction with a peer or exchange. And below is an example of what a public key would look like. Thanks for watching, and now that we're aware of the storage options for Bitcoin, for the next video we're going to see our options of how we're going to acquire Bitcoin. Stay tuned.